Hello, this is Fred from Multiple Products. Congratulations for the purchase of your Minisalt. Today we're going to go through how the system works and how to set it up. The Minisalt is a very basic salt system. You set from 0 to 10. At 0, 1, with the green light on, you're actually at 10% of its capacity, and the green light is basically saying, I am producing chlorine as we speak. By increasing the speed, you can go up to 10 by 10% increments. So at 0.9, you're at 90%. At 0.10, you're at 100%. If you want to turn the system off, you're going to go back to 0.0. The lights are going to blink twice, and then the red light's going to go on. Your system is off. To turn it back on, you simply go again with the upper arrow. Depending on what speed you find as the reference point, you can use the boost mode, which is the bottom check mark, to create BO for 24 hours. This is going to mean that your system is going to be at maximum capacity for 24 hours before it reverts automatically back to the previous set point. What is your reference point? Nobody really knows. What's your chlorine usage in your pool? How big is your pool? How big is the system? This will vary a bit from a pool to another. So it's very hard for us to say, but typically we try to make you guys run between 30% to 60% on the system capacity. One of the most common error codes that happen with the salt system and the Minisalt is the OF code. OF code basically means that there is no flow. Your flow switch that's connected on the water line needs to go in the direction of the arrow as well as the arrow on the flow switch, and the water's going to go in and press basically the pallet into it to say that the system is running. Now your OF code has disappeared. We thank you for your purchase. If there's any other questions, feel free to reach out to Multiple Products.